Hello friends. So the most common question asked by all the new moms when we have a discussion or something is that we don't get any me time after the baby. I'm sure you all have faced this problem too. So once you are exhausted after a long day and your baby is not sleeping on time or say sleeping really late, that doesn't leave you with much time for yourself. So today I'm going to share a few quick tips for you which will help you ensure that your baby falls asleep quickly at night and gives you some me time as well. So the first step here is that you have to allow your baby lesser daytime sleep. So if the baby, if the baby is say 1.5, 2 years of age, 1.5 or 1 hour of sleep during the day is good enough for the child. So if the baby is tired during the entire day, he will definitely fall asleep early at night. The second point here is that we have to create a routine for the child. Maybe an early dinner time around 9ish, then a small lullaby which he enjoys or any favorite content of him on the TV, say Peppa Pig or anything that the child enjoys. So if this is followed over and over again and again every day, this will create a pattern for him and he knows that this is the pattern and by this time he has to fall asleep. The third point here is a reassurance. So you have to be with the child or you should be with the child till the time he is asleep. But we can also create a bit of a reassurance for the child so that he knows that mama is around. Maybe keeping a few of your clothes or something that relates to the smell. The child really picks up smell very quickly. So if we can keep some clothes or something of yourself with the child, he will know that familiar environment and be very comfortable while he is falling asleep. While your being there is very important for the child, it is also necessary that we can create a sleep buddy for the child. For example, a teddy bear or a stuffed toy or any other thing that the child really likes keeping with himself that will help him to be very confident and very comfortable while he is falling off to sleep. So we should all try and create a sleep buddy for the child. Lastly, to ensure that the child sleeps comfortably and quickly, we should make sure that there are no scary objects in the room. For example, any image on the television or any poster or anything in the room that is scary for the child should be removed or tried to be, the child should not be around that object. So if he gets a comfortable environment for sleep, we can ensure that the child falls off to sleep quickly and without much hindrance. I'm sure if you have followed all these 4 steps that I told you about, you will definitely notice a change in the sleeping time of the child and the child will sleep really quickly without much of your intervention in it. I hope you have enjoyed this video and if you find these tips and hacks useful, then do subscribe to our channel and keep watching.